You want to wake up early, like before the sun, before the chaos, before your phone even starts buzzing. But every time that alarm rings, it's like someone summoned a demon to pull your soul back into bed. What if I told you you could wake up at 5 a.m., 4 a.m., even 3:59 a.m. without feeling like trash, without needing motivation, and actually feel clear-headed, energized, and unstoppable? Let's break the system wide open. This is how you wake up early, without feeling like death. The real problem. Most people fail to wake up early for 3 reasons. 1. Your sleep schedule is garbage. 2. Your brain is addicted to dopamine before bed. 3. You don't have a wake-up system. You have a wake-up gamble. Waking up early isn't just about willpower. It's about outsmarting your brain when it's at its dumbest. Right after waking up, let's build your anti-zombie morning system. Dominate your nights. The PM protocol. The battle for the morning is won the night before. Your brain is a machine. Treat it like one. 1. The 90-minute sleep cycle rule, backed by neuroscience. You don't sleep in hours, you sleep in cycles. 90-minute blocks. 4.5 hours equals 3 cycles. 6 hours equals 4 cycles. 7.5 hours equals 5 cycles. Sweet spot, 9 hours equals 6 cycles. Recovery mode, 6 hours, 30 minutes equals wake up in the middle of a deep cycle. Equals feel like you got hit by a truck. Calculate backwards from your wake-up time and target a full cycle number. 2. The dopamine shutdown window. 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Your brain needs to unhook from dopamine before bed. Otherwise, your sleep quality dies. Here's the process. No screens, 1 hour before bed. Blue light kills melatonin. Dim your room. Use warm yellow light, like a cave. Read a fiction book. Stretch or journal. Avoid goal setting or problem solving. No intense emotions before bed. No horror movies. No heartbreak songs. No overthinking your life at 2 a.m. Treat your brain like a baby. Calm it down. Put it to sleep. No stimulation equals deep recovery. 3. Optional magnesium or herbal sleep support. Magnesium glycinate, chamomile, ashwagandha, or lemon balm tea. Stay hydrated but not overloaded, so you don't pee at 3 a.m. Disclaimer at the end. We'll remind viewers to consult professionals. Master the first 5 minutes. Wake up. Warzone. The first 5 minutes after waking up are everything. Why? Because your prefrontal cortex is still booting up and your like system emotions is running the show. That means I'm tired. I hate this. Let's sleep. So, you need a zero thinking plan, a ritual. Here's how to win. 1. 3-second rule. Wake up reaction. As soon as the alarm rings, count 3, 2, 1. Stand up. Don't think. Don't reason. Just stand. This is stolen from Mel Robbins and works like magic. 2. Alarm across the room with mission mode. Name your alarm something like get up or die, bro. Wake up. Future millionaire. Snooze. Failure loop. Psychological cue triggers urgency. Make it loud. Make it annoying. 3. Cold water activation. As soon as you're up, splash your face with cold water or step into a cold shower, even for 30 seconds, or chew ice cubes if you're dramatic like that. It shocks your nervous system into alert mode. 4. Light before sight. Expose your eyes to bright white light or sunlight immediately. It kills melatonin and resets your circadian rhythm. Use a bright daylight lamp if it's still dark outside. Build a morning power circuit. Now that you're vertical, it's time to lock in your momentum. Create a 3-step power circuit. Takes 10 to 15 minutes. 1 movement, 1 to 5 minutes. 10 push-ups, jumping jacks, quick yoga stretch, anything to tell your body. We're online. 2. Mindset. 2 to 3 minutes. Read a powerful quote. Journal 1 sentence. What kind of person do I want to be today? Visualize crushing your goals. 2 minutes only. 3. Review your number 1 task for the day. Set a 3-goal limit to avoid overload. Say it out loud. Let's go build. Lock in your wake-up habit for life. You're not just waking up early. You're becoming the kind of person who does. Here's how to make it automatic. 1. Habit loop anchoring. Every time you wake up early, celebrate it. Literally say, I'm a beast. I'm winning. I don't negotiate with comfort. This rewires your brain to associate waking up with dopamine and identity. 2. Identity shift mantra. Start saying this. I don't wake up early to be productive. I wake up early because I am building a version of me no one has ever seen. Say it until it feels real, because eventually it will be. 3. Don't break the chain. Jerry Seinfeld method. Track every early morning on a calendar or habit tracker. Your only job. Don't break the streak. Even one win per week is better than quitting for 3 months. When you fail, it's okay. You're human, not a robot. But don't quit. Restart the next day. That's how winners are built. One early morning at a time. Waking up early isn't about being extreme. It's about being in control. Most people start their day late, rushed, and reactive. But you're starting your day on your terms. Quiet, focused, intentional. You are no longer a slave to the snooze button. You are the one pressing play on your life. Drop a comment. What time are you waking up tomorrow? Subscribe if you're ready to stop surviving mornings and start owning them. And send this to someone who needs to wake up early, but still sleeps.